Storytime at home.
Hi, I'm Sarah from the Deer Park Branch Library, and today I'm going to share Thank You Garton, written by Liz Garton Scanlon and illustrated by Simone Shin. Garden ready, garden new. Garden, so much work to do. Garden rock and garden water, garden son and garden daughter. Garden dig and garden play, garden filling up the day. Garden bed and garden plot, garden proper, garden not. Garden hardly makes a sound, growing slowly underground. Sometimes rainy, sometimes dry. Garden soaking up the sky. Garden path meets garden gate. Garden wait and wait and wait. Garden frog and worm and bees. Garden berries, beets and peas. Garden growing like a child, rosy, leggy, fresh and wild. Wild in this muddy mess. Garden, thank you. Garden, yes. I hope you enjoyed that story about gardens. Now we're going to do a rhyme about planting something. We're going to plant a banana. Are you ready? Okay. First, we plant banana. Plant, plant, banana. Then we water banana. Water, water, banana. Then we grow banana. Grow, grow, banana. Then we peel banana. Peel, peel, banana. Yeah, you peel banana. Peel, peel, banana. Then you bite banana. Bite, bite, banana. Then you chew banana. Chew, chew, banana. Then you swallow banana. Swallow, swallow, banana. Then you go bananas. Go, go, bananas. Yeah, you go bananas. Go, go, bananas. Thank you for doing that rhyme with me. I had a wonderful time sharing a story and a song with you, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Get free books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.